2019, the company got a certification from Securities and Exchange Commission. Subsequently, we registered with the Bureau of Internal Revenue, the local government of Makati, and most importantly, our registration with FDA. So there were some of us, no, trying to look for the parang registration, approval of all of our products in the FDA. And nare-research po yan. And there are some of us who shared even in our group chat. No? So the mission of the company is to join the bandwagon of selling organic food and non-food products by engaging in the thriving e-commerce. So we'll take advantage of this e-commerce. No? Yung mga, ang daming mga platform wherein we can do a lot of presentation like this one to reach the masses at the most convenient, fast, and effective manner. So makita natin yung ating company very efficient when it comes to delivering the products, no, na nakukuha natin. Pagka-join nyo po, and then free delivery na po, no, yung inyong mga products. The vision of the company is to live in a healthy environment away from the harmful toxic effects of artificial or synthetic products. Ayan, kita natin later on yung ating mga products, most of which, no, all, no, are organic. So I would like also to take this opportunity to introduce to you our president, Dr. Ed Almozara Jr., PhD. He was born and raised in Davao City, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering at the University of Mindanao, conferred doctorate honoris causa in Business Administration by Brethren Evangelical School of Theology, honor and incorporator of Almo Export and Logistics. Ayan, kaya siguro mabilis yung ating mga products delivery, no? Has 20 plus years of experience in the networking industry, and definitely, you know, by this experience, he can lead us towards our goal, no, and making this Best Organic a big company later on. Ayan. He's a God-fearing father and a Christian. And Bauer Tech is the manufacturing company of most of the products of Best Organic.
On capsules each day. But what makes it so special?
Bauertech's goal is to raise the standard of manufacturing in the country. This facility will produce clean, sanitary, and hygienic products fit for the international market. We use top-of-the-line equipment and processes that are generations ahead of the competition. Our partnership with the government has allowed us to control the quality of our raw materials from seed to capsule, farm to bottle.
The factory will also serve the people of the local community, building its economy.
I have shown you earlier in video on how they how Bauer Tech was come into existence, no? In our relationship with BauerTech, this is very essential, no? Very important when it comes to strengthening Best Organic itself, no? So we have, masasabi natin na meron tayo mismo, no, na manufacturing company that they can back up yung ating mga products when it comes to, kunwari, talagang kaya malakihan na, no? All over the world and even other countries, nandyan yung BauerTech to support us in the manufacturing. So I would like to introduce now the products. One of our products is Planzenol. So ang ating Planzenol ay binabackupan niya ng ating resident medical expert na si Dr. Rinaldo Salinel Jr. He's an infectious disease and diabetes specialist. During the launching, nandun po si Dr. Salinel to give testimony ng effectivity ng ating product na Planzenol. And of course, we'll take advantage also of the presence of Kuya King Matienza as our brand ambassador in our company. No? So their influence definitely will make Planzenol in particular as a product, no, fly into the market. Ayan.
Alam niyo ba na 100% all-natural ingredients na makikita sa Planzenol ay mabisang lumalaban sa iba't ibang uri ng virus at bakterya na nagdudulot ng sakit? Isa na dito ang ginger na isang mabisang panlaban sa virus dahil sa mataas na concentration ng potent plant compounds. Ito rin ay pumipigil sa viral replication at pumipigil sa mga virus upang pumasok sa mga host cells. May mabisang anti-inflammatory property ang ginger na panlaban sa ubo, asthma at allergy. Ang curcumin ay may mabisang antiviral properties na tumutulong sa pag-iwas sa mga sakit tulad ng dengue, hepatitis, Zika virus at chikungunya. Ito rin ay tumutulong sa pag-iwas sa mga chronic disease. Ang peppermint ay isa din sa mga sangkap na makikita sa Planzenol. Ito ay may antiviral properties at epektibong panlaban sa flu o lagnat. Ito rin ay may mga sangkap na lumalaban sa pagdami ng cancer cells sa ating katawan. Ang oregano naman ay isang superfood. May kamanghamanghang medicinal qualities. Ito'y antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal at marami pang iba. Mabisa rin itong proteksyon para sa ating liver at digestive tract. Maaring narinig nyo ng frankincense mula sa Biblia. Pero alam nyo bang ito pala ay mabisang analgesic at painkiller? Ito rin ay tumutulong sa pag-iwas sa bacterial infections. Kasama din ang clove sa 12 ingredients na makikita sa Planzenol. Ang isang patak ng clove oil ay 400 times na mas powerful na antioxidant kumpara sa blueberries. Maaaring masarap isama sa lutuin natin ang basil. Pero alam nyo ba, maraming mga uri ng basil ay mahusay na panlaban sa mga viral infections. Ayon sa iba't ibang pagsusuri, ang basil ay meron ding phytochemicals na nagpapababa ng risk natin sa cancer, diabetes, high blood pressure at heart disease. Ang phytochemicals ay lumalaban sa mga free radicals sa ating katawan na nagsisilbing proteksyon sa cell damage. Isang masarap na sangkap sa pagluluto ay ang cinnamon. Pero alam niyo ba na matagal na itong ginagamit na gamot sa buong mundo? Ang cinnamon ay may anti-diabetic effects at tumutulong din sa pagpapababa ng risk natin for heart disease. Isa sa mga sangkap ng Planzenol ay ang sage na tinatawag ding salvation plant. Ang sage ay isang uri ng mint na matagal nang ginagamit na gamot sa iba't ibang virus. Ito din ay may antioxidant properties na tumutulong sa pag-improve ng ating brain function at memory. Ito rin ay may malakas na antioxidant at may anti-inflammatory properties. Ang thyme sa Planzenol ay hindi lang naglalaman ng antiviral properties. Meron din itong antibacterial at antifungal properties at mabisa sa pagpapaginhawa sa ubo, sipon at iba't ibang respiratory illness. Narinig nyo na ba ang Ravintsara? Ito ay isang uri ng halaman na may mabisa at malakas na antiviral properties na karaniwang ginagamit na expectorant at decongestant o pampaginhawa sa baradong ilong. Ginagamit ang Ravintsara bilang panlaban sa mga respiratory diseases na tulad ng rhinitis, sinusitis, bronchitis at iba pa. Ang Planzenol ay sinasamahan ng vitamin E na may antioxidant properties na tumutulong sa paglaban ng mga free radicals na sumisira sa ating mga cells. At ito rin ay umaayos ng mga nasirang cells na dulot ng virus at iba pang mga sakit. Sa Sa panahon ngayon, kailangan natin ng dobling ingat at dobling proteksyon laban sa mga viruses at bakterya na nagdudulot ng mga sakit. Ang ating pag-iingat ay hindi lamang para sa ating sarili, kundi pati na rin para sa ating mga pamilya at komunidad. Bilib ako sa proudly Pinoy-made plants and all. Subok na mabisa, 100% natural pa. That's why I take plants and all as part of my daily supplements para iwas sakit, iwas worry.
Another one is, yan, ito po yung ingredients ng plants and all. I'll separate discussion of this. Prepare natin yung mga slides for this and schedule. So, di-discuss po natin. Isa-isa po yan. So, plants and all is a food supplement. Yung iba po dyan, hindi pa na composed of essential oil extracts from 12 plants added with vitamin E. And there are 12 powerful ingredients. And its benefits will be discussed one by one in one of our sessions. And of course, yung ating Bowshield Max. Ito yung bagong-bago. Ito yung baby plants and all. Baby plants and all, hindi ko sabihin kasi 6 po na powerful ingredients ng plants and all ay present po dito. So isa rin po siya sa essential oil blend. Made of essential oil blend po yan. Antioxidant, antibacterial, yan, na product natin. So, Bowshield Max. Another one is we have the microplant powder, gold, made from 101 vitamins and minerals, 27 clay and soil, and 74 raw plant minerals which protect us from the viruses.
Ako si Adoracion Santos Apostol, 54 years old, taga last week ng January, naramdaman ko lumalaki yung tiyan ko. Nagpa-ultrasound ako at doon nalaman na may massive ascites ako. May tubig sa tiyan. Medyo masakit yung ilalim ng lips ko. Tapos, umiikot siya. Kaya akala ko, ordinaryong kabag lang siya. Kaya hindi ako masyadong kinabahan. Kaya nung malaman ko may ascites ako, nagkaroon ako ng nervous. Gumamit ako na MPP Gold, naramdaman ko na may pagbabago, na naging regular yung pagdumi ko araw-araw, na hindi katulad dati. Nagkaroon na ako ng gana pagkain at hindi bumaba ang immune system ko sa kabila nun. Meron ako massive ascites. Noon kasi, ang bigat kasi ng tiyan ko, hirap na hirap akong bumangon, hirap akong maglakad, laging kong hawak ang tiyan ko. Nung umiinom ako sa kanya, nararamdaman ko gumagaan, tsaka nakakapaglakad-lakad na ako. Walang ibang akong gamot, isa lang talaga yung ginagamit ko, yung powder na to. Iniinom ko siya 2 beses maghapon, sa umaga, before breakfast, and sa gabi, para malinis yung tiyan ko bago ako kumain. Madali siyang inumin, na ihahalo sa mga prutas, wala siyang masyadong amoy, saka okay naman siya sa akin. Ito po yung product na iniinom ko, na nakatulong po sa akin. Hindi siya pamalit sa gamot na pang-medical, kung hindi panlinis po siya sa katawan natin. Nakakatulong po din siyang makagamot sa anumang sakit, ulo hanggang paa. Papasalamat ako sa nag-endorse niyan, tsaka sa Best Organic na iniinom kong panlinis sa aking katawan, na hanggang sa patuloy kong gagamitin siguro, parang maintenance ko.
MPP Gold helps to strengthen the connective tissues of the brain, nerve cells, and the spinal cord. Boosts immunity, very important po yan. Supports bone formation and maintenance. Improves blood flow and regulates metabolism. Supports the reproductive system. Maintains good digestions and collagen for skin nourishment and total body detoxification. Yan po yung ating MPP Gold. Meron din po tayong iBoost 4, made of noni fruit, malunggay, the dragon fruit, mangosteen. We've seen that there were, in the past, that there were products made of these powerful ingredients alone, noni fruit, there was the product na gawa lang sa noni fruit. It was very powerful, and sa market before nakita natin na marami po yung tumangkilik dyan. Even malunggay, mangustin, dragon fruit. So how much pa yung ating iBoost 4? Huh? Ayan. So we have the iBoost 4 made of 4 powerful ingredients. And we have the Natura Detox Pro from its name alone, no? Detoxification. No? We have the turmeric, macahiya, and sambong. That's its main ingredients. Ayan. Then, yan, yung very relaxing, no? Best organic aromatic liniment lotion. It's made of natural ingredients such as virgin coconut oil, peppermint, eucalyptus, lemongrass extract, and menthol, and turmeric. Yan. So, very relaxing when you are tired and stressed, no? During the whole day. Yan. Sa amoy pa lang yan, very relaxing. And another slide for the aromatic lotion. We have the Best Cafe Black also. This is a 9-in-1 coffee. 9-in-1 healthy coffee. Tongkat ali, mangustin, moringa, ginseng, grapeseed, trace minerals. Ang sweetener po nito is stevia instead of sugar. Non-dairy creamer, pure black coffee. 9-in-1 po yan. Ayan. So, hindi po 9 cups ha. 9-in-1 yung kanyang ingredients.
Mornings are the most crucial part of the day, so we have to make sure that we make our mornings special. Coffee by Best Organic can be the best way for us to experience the best tasting coffee without sacrificing our health. Best Organic coffee is made out of pure herbal ingredients. So what better way to start your day with Best Cafe?
The best way to start your day, Best Cafe.